Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download and install Intel High Definition Audio Driver on your Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer. The process is extremely simple and straightforward. So without wasting any more time, let's jump right in. So first, open your preferred browser and then in the browser search for Intel High Definition Audio Driver. Now from the results there, simply open the first link, which should be the official link of Intel, as you can see right over here. Now click on it. Now once you'll be on the main page over there, you should be able to see the available download option. Click on that and wait for a few seconds. Now you will be seeing a pop-up over here. Click on I accept. Then the download should start, as you can see right over here. So wait for a few seconds. Now once download is completed, go to the file location, then just uncompress the zip file, right-click, and then click on Extract All and click on Extract. Now wait for the extraction process to complete. After the extraction process is complete, a new folder will appear in front of you. If the folder doesn't appear, just want to go back and you should be able to see the folder right over here. Now in the folder, just look for an application called Setup and right-click on it and then hit Open. Now just simply click on Yes. Now wait for a few seconds and a program will start installing something. So just wait for the installation process to begin. And the moment your installation process will begin, click on Next. Now again, few files will be installed, as you can see right over here. So wait for a few more seconds. Now after the installation is finished, you will be given a pop-up over there. You have to choose, do you want to restart the computer now or do you want to restart the computer later? Choose Yes and restart the computer. And after the restart is completed, your installed driver will be functionable. So that's it. You have successfully installed Intel High Definition Audio Driver on your Windows 10/11 PC. So I hope you find this video helpful. If it was, please give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more helpful videos. So thank you for watching and see you in the next video.